Teachers and the government could be headed for a major clash after teachers vowed to ignore a court order requiring them to report back to work tomorrow morning.
Deputy President William Ruto, who has asked teachers to heed the court's orders, says refusal to resume work will amount to anarchy.
Attorney General Githu Muigai waded into the dispute, warning teachers that they risk a jail term if they disobey the court's orders.
Well, Rita Tinina has been following the intrigues on the teacher strike and now brings us the latest.
2003, which was a product.
At the Industrial Court, a ruling by Lady Justice Lynette Ndolo did not go the teachers' way.
Teachers are directed to report back to work by 8 a.m. on Tuesday, 2nd July 2013.
Justice Ndolo ordered Labour Cabinet Secretary Kazungu Kambi to initiate dialogue with the teachers' unions NAT and CUPET and give a report to the court on the 15th of July. But teachers are not paying any attention to what transpired in court.
Mugomo sasa ndio umewekwa mafuta. Unaanza rasmi.
A teacher strike in Kenya is only called and called off by the Secretary General.
The court order a relief to the government, which has been trying to get teachers back to class.
I think it is the duty of the Kenya National Union of Teachers to respect the law. Any other arrangement will amount to anarchy.
Attorney General Githu Muigai is warning teachers who will disobey the court order that they risk going to jail. Ruto directed Labour Cabinet Secretary Kazungu Kambi to convene a meeting between the Teachers Service Commission, the Salaries and Remuneration Commission, and the teachers' unions over the current deadlock.
And we will be truthful, because we would not want to say things that are not possible. We will say things that are possible, and we will put our cards on the table.
NAT will hear nothing about negotiations, saying the 1997 deal is not negotiable.
We have only refused to renegotiate.
We cannot negotiate negotiated, signed, and gazetted agreements. What are we going to negotiate?
But the government says the 1997 deal does not exist.
In the subsequent negotiations of 2003, they signed to amend the negotiations in 1997.
So this the same Gazette notice they are saying we have not implemented.
With a court order and an olive branch from the government to teachers to negotiate, the real extent of the teachers' resolve will perhaps become evident on Tuesday morning when the court's deadline for teachers to report back to work expires. Rita Tinina, KTN.